Ciao my friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another unboxing, unpackaging, because they're not really in a box, and these arrived the other day, so I thought that I would share everything with you and open these up. They are actually two wallets that I got from Temu. A girl can never have too many bags, too many wallets, too many watches, too many bottles of perfume, too many pairs of shoes. I collect them all, my friends, all of them. So we will share opening these, and I also have a few more coming in the mail. They didn't arrive yet, but I generally switch up my bags and my wallets per the outfit that I'm wearing. So this one here is just a small little one. Oh, but it's very pretty. This is very pretty, my friends. You can find the best wallets, the most beautiful feeling wallets on Temu. This one has a little clasp here. It's small, which I really like. Yes, it's made out of real leather. It even smells nice like leather. And it has all these little places in here for card slots. So generally when I use one that's like this, I will put some cash in the back, and then also it has a little slot in the center here, one here and one here, and a little slot in this center here, like a little pockets. And really I don't put anything in here, but I always put just all of my cards here and all of my cards here. It's very convenient to carry something so small, because if you wear a small bag, you want something that's going to be small and tiny. And this, I've never had like this bright of a red wallet before. I'm not really sure how I feel about that color. Many of you know I'm not a red girl, other than trying to wear red nail polish. I get used to it. But this is very beautiful. Yes, my friends, you need one of these in your life. So let's go and open up the second one. I didn't prepare myself so well today, because I didn't think that I really had to bring the trusty weapons over, but maybe I do. Oh, this one also feels nice. Oh, my friends, look. This is very vintage. This is very vintage. This is so old. My grandmother used to have one similar to this style. I think it's called Kiss Lock. Oh, that is very nice. Stuffing. It's like a kiss lock. We used to call them like lobster claws, or yeah, like a clasp, a claw. But I think they're really called kiss lock. That is so pretty. And then you have the zippered compartment, and it has all of the separate slots for cards. It's very beautiful. Very nice. Oh, so happy about this one. I don't know why. Maybe because it just looks a little bit vintage. Well, maybe the zipper doesn't want to work. Oh, no, that's my fault. That's me. It works good. But this is very, very nice. Very vintage. I wish that they had bags that would come out with this clasp on the top of them, but I remember my grandmother used to have a coin purse with this kind of a lock on the top. Wow, that brings up memories. That's very pretty. The leather on it is super soft, super soft. Yeah, but genuine leather, and it also comes with a little wrist strap. So I generally take these off. I don't know why. It just seems to be in the way a lot, but I generally take these off. But this is also very beautiful. Love this. Love this. And this one. So my friends, I'm going to change up my wallet today and maybe use this one. I've never really had a red one this bright before, but this one here is also very nice. This one just makes me happy. I don't know why. I love this little part. Anyway, I will try and link these wallets on my link tree, and you will find my link tree in my bio if they have them still available. Like I said, if they are not available, the link will not work anymore, and I'm not really sure they sell things underneath the same link. So generally when they're sold out, the link doesn't work. So I'm sorry about that. But go to Temu, buy yourself a really nice wallet. Maybe it's like $8 or $10 that I paid for them, so they're not expensive, and genuine leather. I don't know how they can do it, but yeah, this one is super soft, my friends. Beautiful. Really feels very nice. So my friends, I will see you again back here tomorrow, because tomorrow is Tuesday, which you all know is my weigh-in day and my shot day. I love my Tuesdays. So my friends, enjoy your day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Ciao everyone. Have a great day.